Okay, ignore my friend in the background. We're going to do a video I've been wanting to do for a freaking long ass time, and why the hell ain't the lights coming on? God damn it. We're gonna fire that beast up. I am going to flip a breaker. I have the camera on dynamic image, whatever, so I'm going to just set it down here. Hopefully it will not fall. Aim it up there, and well, we're gonna see what the hell happens. I gotta go grab another camera first. Very important. Find the right breaker. I will be satisfied. Damn. Is that on? Well, goddamn, where's the freaking breaker for the air conditioner? What? I'm busy. Okay, it should come on. If not, I'm gonna be pissed. Let's see. Power. This thing didn't have batteries in it? Why the hell ain't this coming on? I can't honestly see. What? You want to come help me?
It's hot in here.
Hell yeah, that's why I'm cutting this thing on if it still works. Gotta get the video on. I can't see shit. Reset. Well, what the fuck? I swear to fucking God, the damn thing's broken. I gotta look at this panel. Honestly, don't know what the... Damn, where the hell's that breaker at? Son of a bitch. Oh, I'm such a dumbass. I can't believe that. I am such a dumbass. Okay, I'm gonna run and throw that breaker. Moment of truth. It went beep. That's all it did. For the moment of truth, I'm gonna take it good. Cause I feel like it. I'm gonna take that thing off the cheap ass tripod. Fire this thing up. First time in a long time. Fan I want. There comes the compressor. Holy crap, it actually freaking works. I ain't gonna run it long, it's just a test to make sure it works. Oh shit. Pop this and see what the hell's happening. Make sure it doesn't frost up. That's blowing cold. Well, it's blowing that degree air, but maybe if I crank this fucker down. It'll get, oh yeah, it's getting colder. That lows will go. Okay. It works. That was the first startup of the GoldStar in 2010. 2011, my mistake. So there you all go. It works. I ain't gonna run it long because I don't want, you know, get bitched at, but it works. And this light should work now. Yes. Let's see the evaporator. I don't have a thermometer. Well, the only one I have is out in the garage. Here, it's got R22, so why the hell shouldn't it work? Okay, that's tripped. Now I can shut the breaker panel. And I'll be back in part 2.